This lesson is referred to the page 106 of the book. Okay? I want to remind you to review the previous pages. You should know the electric components and their symbols, okay, to understand better this lesson. Let's see how circuits work. How circuits work? They work when they are complete. I mean, all components are connected. Which components? We need the power source that gives the energy to the circuit, the load device that converts this energy in another form of energy, control devices that are switches, and conductors, the wires that connect each element together. Okay. Also, it works when it's closed. A circuit works when it's closed. I'm going to draw the diagram of a simple electric circuit to understand it. We have the power source, the switch, the control device, the load device, and conductor is the wire. Okay? It works because the current flows from the positive terminal, positive pole of the battery through the conductor, the valve, and reaches the negative pole of the battery. So this circuit is closed. It works. There are three possibilities for a circuit to be opened. The first one and the simplest one is if I turn off the lamp. I mean, when I turn to the off position the control device. The current stops when the switch is off. Okay? So this circuit is open. Also, when the load device breaks or fails. If the lamp breaks, the current can't reach the negative pole, so this circuit is open. And the third possibility is that the cable is cut. Or wire. If the cable is cut, the same. The current can't reach the negative pole of the battery, so this circuit is open. Okay? Okay. Now, direction of electric current. I want to remind you the definition of electric current. The electric current is the flow of electrons from the positive to the negative pole of the battery, okay? From the positive to the negative. This is an agreement because actually the electrons, the real movement of electrons is from the negative this is the real movement, okay, to the positive, ¿vale? But in the past it was not possible to observe the flow of electricity, so nowadays we still use the conventional direction. The conventional direction is from the positive to the negative, okay? Short circuits. What is that? In Spanish is cortocircuitos. Wow. I'm going to draw the scheme again of a simple circuit. A short circuit occurs when nothing converts the electricity into another form of energy, when the current reaches the negative pole of the battery without converting in another way of electricity, okay? Let's see. The current flows from this point and from the positive pole, and at this point, let's see what happens. We have two paths, okay? At this point, the current is going to take the easiest path. It's going to travel through the easiest path, so the lamp won't work. Okay? What happens? That the battery can't absorb this energy and burns. So we have to prevent these short circuits, okay? So it's when any low device converts in the path of the circuit, any element converts the electricity in another form of energy. I mean, the current takes the easiest path. Okay? I can modify this. And if I include a motor, now it works because the current flows through this path and through this path. Both are connected to the battery, okay? Now, I want you to do the exercise 13. I'm going to resolve this exercise explaining how, but I want you to copy in your notebook if you have it, because it's a good exercise to practice, okay? Let's see. Page 106, exercise 13. Which ones will work when the control device is pressed? Okay, we are going to solve this exercise attending to the theory. I mean, if it's closed, if the direction of current is correct, or it has any short or some short circuit. Okay, let's see. Circuit A. From the positive pole of the battery, I press the push switch and the current goes through it. When the current reaches this point, it's going to take the easiest path, and any load device is in the path. So, what is that? Short circuit. It doesn't work. Circuit B. This is a two-way switch. Okay, when I change the position, the current flows through this path and through this path. There are two lamps in the way, so it's closed now. It works. Circuit C. We have, when I press the push button, the electricity is going to take the easiest path. I mean, is there any load device? No. So this is a short circuit, but also is open. Okay, so this circuit won't work. And D. There are two batteries, okay? So I start from the positive to the negative. And this one also from the positive to the negative. So they are wrongly connected. So it won't work. Okay, now I want you to practice with more exercises of the electricity notebook uploaded in the web page, okay? Exercise 1, 2, 4, and 5. You can do it, and see you in the next class, and maybe I show you my cat, okay? Bye.